there. So we're going to make a quick shirt today using our pattern HTV and some glitter vinyl. So when you use our pattern HTV, it comes on a roll that is 12 inches by 19 inches. And I went ahead and I've cut my design out. When you use pattern HTV, you do need to add a masking. Let's see if I can get it undone. You have to add the tape in order to transfer it to your material. So I'll put that on real quick. And when you do that, that's when you'll take the back liner off. And then everything is right side. Looks like I messed that one up a little bit. Everything is right side up now for pressing. The first thing you want to do when you're doing a garment is you want to get all of the moisture out of your shirt or whatever you're using. So you just do that for about 5 seconds. You do like a preheat on the shirt. And then I've already centered this, but I wanted to show you guys that we have centering rulers. And basically you would line this up with the center of your shirt here in order to find where you're going to put it. So, and this one conveniently is 3 fingers. So you put that on the center, like I already had done that. You measured it out and you find where your design is going to go. So I can leave that on there until it's time to press. I'm going to go ahead and do the this one first. Let's see here. Just do a little crease. Put it on the 0. Except I think I'm crooked. Don't press your ruler. This one is 320 for 20 seconds. And we're doing this during business hours. So if you hear any phones ringing or customers coming in, please forgive that. We just wanted to make sure that we got this done for you. It's going to turn out super cute. This is a hot peel on the print patterns. I should say warm. I wait for it to be a little bit warm. I try and do that without moving the shirt. This is one of our new Christmas patterns that we did kind of in the Fair Isle style. And then the next thing I'm going to do is my glitter. I did do these little tiny tree trunks in black glitter as well. So I'm going to put those on individually. I forgot to put them together on my mat. Let's see, where do I want him? Okay, so we have the last, let's see here, where does this guy go? And I think we can do it in 2 presses. So we're gonna go ahead and add this one. And I have some exposed HTV up here, so I'm going to use a Teflon sheet on top of that, and then we're going to do our press. We're at medium to firm pressure, and we'll do this for 20 seconds, and both of these can be peeled warm. So we'll just start peeling, we'll take it off and peel it after. Like that. Okay. Do that flat. Oh my gosh, glitter's so fun. Okay, let's see, what do we have? Let me take the phone off the holder so you guys can see the whole thing. That's fantastic. So we have our pattern. Looks like a little sweater. Let's see if I can get some detail. It's got like the little hatch patterns of a sweater. Then we did glitter flakes and pattern flakes, and then we just used red here. So there you go. There's a little idea on something that you can do with some of the pattern vinyl. Thanks.